Welcome back to New Brand Car, where we dive into the most unique, innovative, and sometimes unexpected vehicles. Today, we're exploring a bold newcomer, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper. This hybrid creation merges the practicality of a tricycle with the functionality of an RV camper, pushing boundaries to offer a compact, convenient travel experience perfect for those who love the open road but prefer a simpler setup. First impressions are everything, and the Tricycle RV Camper doesn't disappoint. Its three-wheel design may seem unconventional, but this structure ensures stability, fuel efficiency, and agility that you won't find in standard campers. The front features a sleek, modern cockpit equipped with user-friendly controls and ergonomic seating, making it ideal for long journeys. Despite its trike format, it has the power and resilience to tackle various terrains, from highways to rugged backroads, with an impressive balance that's achieved by its low center of gravity. Now let's talk about the camper section. At first glance, you might think it's small, but step inside, and you'll be surprised by how much functionality is packed into this compact space. It's designed with smart storage solutions that maximize every inch. There's room for a fold-out bed, a small kitchenette complete with a portable stove and mini fridge, and even a cozy seating area. Though compact, this RV camper emphasizes comfort, with each element carefully designed to cater to solo travelers or even a couple seeking an adventure off the beaten path. One of the highlights is its versatility. The 2025 Tricycle RV Camper has been designed with adaptability in mind. The camper module can detach from the tricycle base, transforming the vehicle into a standalone trike when the full RV setup isn't needed. This modularity allows you to quickly switch between a personal transportation mode and a full camping setup, giving you the freedom to adapt on the go. If you're planning a day trip, leave the camper module at your campsite and explore with ease on the trike. For those concerned with sustainability, this camper also scores well. The 2025 model offers an electric-powered option with a commendable range, perfect for eco-conscious travelers. Its battery is quick charging, and for longer trips, there's even a solar panel attachment option, letting you harness renewable energy to keep your adventures going. This focus on sustainability is not just about reducing emissions, but also about giving travelers more independence from fuel stops, allowing them to explore remote areas with peace of mind. When it comes to safety, the Tricycle RV Camper is surprisingly robust. It's equipped with advanced stability controls, anti-lock braking systems, and reinforced safety bars, ensuring a safe ride even in unexpected conditions. The camper's materials are both lightweight and durable, giving it the sturdiness needed for rugged travel while still remaining light enough for easy maneuverability. And thanks to modern insulation technology, this camper is suited for various climates, from chilly mountain air to hot desert landscapes. In conclusion, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. This trike offers a unique blend of adventure and convenience, ideal for those who value freedom and sustainability without the bulk of a traditional RV. It's compact, versatile, and ready to redefine what it means to explore the open road. Thanks for watching New Brand Car. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more insights on the latest vehicles shaping the future of travel.